Now we will start our first project. You're going to right click and create a new folder on your desktop, and we'll just call this Python project 1 guessing game. Here we'll create a new text document called guessing game.py. You're going to hit yes, and in Visual Studio Code you're going to go to File, open folder, Python project 1 guessing game. Now you're going to head to guessinggame.py, and here we have a brand new file. Remember to hit Ctrl S to make sure that looks normal, and we're going to begin by doing a higher or lower. Now in order to do a higher or lower game, you need a couple of things. One is a random number. Once we have a random number generator, we're then going to need an input from the user, and then we're going to need to compare the input to the random number. Once we have that, we are then going to need to output whether the user was too high, too low, or just right. Well, we'll create 4 videos going through each one of these steps, and I would recommend that all of these steps be done, or at least you try to do these steps without the video, and then proceed to try to do the steps. If you can't do them, then use the videos as help. Another thing I recommend is this file will be put in 4 stages in the description of every video, and it is recommended that you go ahead and download those and look through each stage after you're done to see how your code is different to my code and how there are different ways of going through things, as well as trying to understand my code. So that should end it here, and this should be the beginning of project guessing game.